Hello guys, welcome back and continuing our series of tenses. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. Now, what we mean by the continuity? Here, continuity means the work is actually happening. Okay, so the form we used in present continuous tense is subject plus is mr plus ing form of the verb. Now, ing form of a verb is a very important because in actually it is representing the continuity of the tense. See, verbs like working is made up of basically main verb of work and ing to represent the continuity of the verb. Okay, so there can be so many verbs like this, like working, eating, learning, sleeping. So many verbs are possible. So the main important thing in present continuous tense is ing form because it represents that action is actually going on at the time of speaking. Now let us see this thing. When we have I as a subject, we use am with it, and when we have he, she, it and singulars, we use is with the subjects, and if we have you, we, they and plural, we use are. On is mr we are also having a video. If you want to understand the very basic concept of is mr, you can go and watch that. But for now we have to just understand that if the subject is I am going to use am with it. If the subject is he, she, it or any singular noun or pronoun, we are going to use is with that. And if the subjects are you, we, they and any plurals, we are going to use are with them. Okay. Now let us see where we can use a present continuous tense. To express an action that is going on at the time of speaking. That means whenever a speaker is discussing about something, the event is actually happening. Like he is reading means at the moment reading is going on. Okay, next one is I am learning. See, at this moment of time when I am speaking this, I am actually learning, or we can say they are playing. So when we have to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking, we use continuous tenses. Now, present continuous tenses are also used for an action that is planned or arranged to take place in the near future. That we have already planned that I am going to party tonight. It is a planning here. See, I have used continuous tense here. Okay, so for such actions which is already planned but they are going to happen in near future, we use a continuous tense. Like I am leaving for Delhi today. Here also I have used continuous tense. Now present tense is also used to describe the changes that are taking places on a daily basis or in a progressive way, such as pollution is increasing day by day. See, I have used continuous tense here because this is undergoing a process, and we cannot determine that pollution is increased in a single day. No, it is not possible. Pollution is increasing at day by day, suggesting here that it is undergoing a process. Similarly, prices are increasing these days. Here again, this is a process which suggests the continuity of the verb. So we used continuous tense to describe the changes which are taking place on a progressive rate. Now, present continuous tense is also used to show for a temporary action which is for a specific duration of time. It can be possible that the action is not actually happening at the time of speaking, but there should be like a process going on. That means the work should be under process at that time. Like, see, I am learning music. This suggests that this is a temporary action. I'm not going to learn music for the whole life. It will end in a specific time. So, I am learning music is showing us a temporary action, and hence we used present continuous with it. Now let us see one more example to clear the concept. I am watching a movie. See, movie will be finished in a specific time. If it is a 3-hour movie or a 2-hour movie, it is going to end. So this is again a temporary action, and we need to use present continuous action. Let us see one more example on it. I am reading a book. See, reading is under process, but we know that one day or in a specific time, book will be finished. Hence, we use temporary action for it, and we have used a present continuous tense for it. Similarly, there can be many examples like he is watching cricket and students are playing. All these such a kind of examples comes under the temporary actions. So, we have used a present continuous tense for them. Now, let us see the exceptions in case of present continuous tense. A few verbs are not used in the continuous form. That means they don't possess ing form. Such kind of verbs are verbs of perception. Verbs of perception can be see, hear, smell, and notice. These kind of verbs are not used in the continuous form. Again, verbs of emotion like want. I cannot use want as wanting. That would be wrong. So, it will be want, wish, desire, and can be feel, like, etc. There can be many verbs of emotion. Again, next one is verb of appearance. Appearance means to look and to seem, to appear. We cannot use such verbs in continuous form. So this is it for present continuous tense. You can practice some more examples and can understand in more better way. In our next video, we will try to understand some more parts of tenses. Till then, keep learning, keep watching.